Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two affordable smartwatches from the company Callme. The other one is the latest, the C8 Max smartwatch. It is the Callme C8 Max smartwatch, and the other one, it was released several months ago, and it is still popular smartwatch and very affordable. The Callme P81 smartwatch. Both do have a rectangular design and loaded with features. On this video, we are going to compare the design and at the same time the features available for both smartwatches. So if you are planning to get the P81, or maybe you are thinking, I want to get a C8 Max smartwatch, and you are still undecided, watch this video so that you can see the difference between the two wearables. So if you have any questions regarding the C8 Max or the P81, drop a comment below. And if you are still not subscribed yet, subscribe, like, and share to our YouTube channel. Okay? Drop a comment below. Alright, so let's start and explore the two smartwatches. And as you can see here, still Callme is using the same style of packaging. Simple, direct. So we have here the C8 Max and the P81. So we have some preview of the features here. So I'm going to show it to you. Both they almost have the same features, I think. But for the specs, let's see. Again, this is the C8 Max, this is the P81. So much bigger display screen for the C8 Max, having 1.93, 1.9 for the P81, but for the resolution they almost have the same here. Battery, much bigger battery for the P81, having 300 mAh, 280 mAh for the C8 Max. iOS 9.0 and Android 5.0 supported platform. Okay, so that's it for the preview of its specs. For the design, as you can see here, the C8 Max has a much bigger, I think wider body frame. For the weight, let's see here. Do have here a weighing scale. Let's check. 0, let's see, in grams, including the strap. We have 45.85 grams, around 46, while the other one, the P81, we have 35 grams, almost half. Again, 35 compared to, oh no, it's not half, but at least more than 10 grams is added, I think. Okay, 45 and 35. Okay, so it's a bit 10 grams, okay, more or less. Why is it that the C8 Max do have a much, okay, higher weight here, or it is heavier compared to the P81? As you can see here, the C8 Max has a metal body frame compared to our P81 with a PC material. It feels ordinary, it feels cheap, but still it's okay, I think. While for our C8 Max, it shouts more premium compared to the P81. Plus, as you can see here, have you noticed something? It is wireless charging, while the P81 is still using the traditional Pogo pin. Okay. So in terms of screen display, they almost have the same resolution. Still IPS. They almost have the same size. Slightly bigger for the C8 Max. For the buttons here, single power on off button for our P81, while for our C8 Max, it is rotary button, and we have a dedicated button for the settings, I think, for the sports. Okay, so in terms of design, it's a win here for the C8 Max, no question. Okay, both do have a quick release pin and with a heart rate sensor here. Quick release pin for the flexible silicone strap. For the thickness, let's see. Seems like they almost have the same thickness here, but the C8 Max is not noticeable because of the black back cover here. It looks like it's slim, but it's not. On the other side, we do have here, as you can see, longer length for the C8 Max compared to the P81. So which do you think is much better in terms of design? Drop a comment below. In terms of features or menus, let's see. So let's check on the UI of the C8 Max versus the P81. On top we have the settings here, the same format. On the bottom part, we have the notifications. So different here for our C8 Max. It's a new UI. Seems like a window here. You can select the common applications. On the other side, left side, we have the menus. Notifications here for the C8 Max. On the right side, we have the different cards here. The same style here, as you can see. Okay, so this different color here or graphics for the sleep monitoring. Also for the heart rate. You have SpO2, weather, blood pressure, stress, shutter, and that's it. Okay. For the watch faces, as you can see here, for our P81, you cannot change it. All you have to do is just long press. Okay, you cannot change it using the crown button. While for the C8 Max, it is rotary. You can use it to change the watch face. It's a cool feature here, as you can see. Okay, in terms of menus and features, so let's explore. Press power button, swipe. Okay, so the same UI here, activity tracking, sleep monitoring. You have the heart rate, phone call, exercise. You have the blood pressure, SpO2, stress. I think seems like they have the same feature offering here. Let's see. Messages, shutter, player. Player is all about music control function. We have relaxation, timer, alarm, stopwatch. We also have a world clock here, cycle tracking, flashlight, find phone, calculator. Okay, as you can see, we don't have AI voice here, but we do have it here on our C8 Max. We have games. We do have a Muslim in stock. I think this is for the prayer. And we don't have it here in our P81. For the settings, let's see. So we have display, vibration and ring, do not disturb mode, low power mode, we also have it here. We have phone call, gesture. We don't have a gesture support here. We have support for dynamic island, we don't have it here. We have a time setting, we don't have it here. We do have a multiple language support, and we also don't have it here on the P81. So there are some additional features here. Okay, options in the C8 Max smartwatch. Okay, let's see. How about for the sports? We have, where's the sports? Exercise. Okay, we have walking, running, cycling, skipping rope, badminton, basketball, football. I think they have the same number of sports. Rugby, golf, yoga, fitness, dancing, baseball, elliptical indoor, cycling, free training, rowing machine, and other sports. Okay, so it seems like they have the same number of sports function as you can see here. Okay, just some additional for the C8 Max when it comes to other features. The heart rate, different UI. For the blood pressure, let's see. Okay, so different style, but it seems like I think they have the same sensor also. But we are going to try that on our next video. On this video, we are going to focus more on the UI, menu, offered menus, and design. Player, oh, the same. Okay, so that's it for the comparison review of our Callme C8 Max smartwatch and this Callme P81 smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding this video review, video comparison, drop a comment below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!